Is your Amana AC blowing weak air? Don't sweat it. Weak airflow is a common issue, often stemming from simple causes. First, understand how your AC works. It uses a blower motor to push air through ducts and vents. Weak airflow happens when resistance increases, reducing the amount of air being pushed through your home. A dirty air filter is the number one culprit, restricting airflow significantly. Check your filter and replace it if it's dirty. Aim to do this every 1 to 3 months, especially during peak usage. Other common causes include blocked vents, clogged coils, or ductwork problems like leaks or kinks. If you have a newer Amana model, post 2023, check the Whirlpool Smart Appliance app for diagnostic information. Some models even offer AI-assisted troubleshooting. Use a flashlight to inspect your vents and coils for visible obstructions. Addressing these basic issues resolves the majority of weak airflow problems. Remember, proper airflow is crucial for cooling efficiency and preventing costly repairs. If after checking these basics you still have weak airflow, consider calling a professional, as more complex issues might be at play. Once you've diagnosed the cause of weak airflow, you can take steps to fix it. If a dirty filter was the issue, regular filter changes are key to preventing recurrence. For clogged coils, you can try cleaning them yourself with a fin comb and coil cleaner, or hire a professional. Ensure all vents are fully open and unobstructed by furniture. For ductwork issues, sealing leaks with duct tape or mastic can improve airflow, but significant damage may require professional repair. Regular AC maintenance is crucial. Annual tune-ups by a qualified technician can prevent up to 70% of airflow issues. They'll check refrigerant levels, clean coils, and inspect ductwork. Also, consider proactive maintenance, like cleaning your air ducts every few years to remove dust and debris buildup. This is especially important if you have pets or allergies. By addressing airflow problems promptly and implementing preventative measures, you can keep your Amana AC running efficiently and avoid costly repairs down the road.